everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone using the NeatDesk ADF-070108 digital filing system document pass-through desktop scanner. We're talking about the XHJTWOPY6 6FT USB cable, designed specifically to ensure your scanner connects seamlessly to your computer or laptop for reliable data synchronization. One of the first things you'll appreciate about this cable is its generous length. At 6.6 feet, it offers a significant amount of flexibility in setting up your workspace. No more struggling with short cords that limit where you can place your scanner or computer. This extra length means you can arrange your desk exactly how you like it, without compromising on connectivity. Compatibility is key, and this cable is explicitly designed for the NeatDesk ADF-070108. This isn't just any generic USB cable. It's tailored to provide the optimal data sync experience for your specific digital filing system. This ensures that your documents are transferred quickly and efficiently, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Now let's touch on a crucial aspect: safety. While it's a USB data cable, the manufacturer, XHJTWOPY, highlights its design with safety performance in mind. This includes features like overvoltage protection, overheat protection, and overcurrent protection. These are important considerations, as they speak to the quality of the cable and its ability to maintain a stable and secure connection, safeguarding both your scanner and your computer from potential electrical issues during data transfer. It provides that extra layer of confidence that your valuable equipment is protected. The brand, XHJTWOPY, also stands behind its product with a worry-free policy. They offer a 30-day hassle-free return and a 12-month replacement exchange. This kind of guarantee is always reassuring, demonstrating the company's confidence in the durability and performance of their cable. It means you can purchase with peace of mind, knowing that if any issues arise, you're covered. In essence, for NeatDesk ADF-070108 scanner owners, this 6FT USB cable from XHJTWOPY isn't just a replacement part, it's an upgrade that enhances your scanning setup. It delivers reliable data transfer, offers practical length for flexible placement, and comes with the assurance of safety features and a solid warranty. If you're looking for a dependable and purpose-built USB cable for your NeatDesk scanner, this one certainly deserves your attention. It's about ensuring your digital filing system operates at its best, day in and day out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.